to the Kamira Sunanas Manufactory, situated in Kamira Village, Chigayaza Parish, Kangulumira Town Council in Kayunga District, 0 degrees north and 33 degrees east. 9 tons of dried pineapple produced annually. Yes! In fact, that's a huge ton of dried fruit for a factory this size. 120 square meters of production space and 15 employees at the moment. These are the men and ladies running the processing machines that you see now. The factory is part of the captive solar project that was established in 2021 by 3 companies, namely Trade Ltd, Kangulumira Horticulture and Vanilla Cooperative Society Limited, and Twiga Sun Fruits. Factory is self-sustainable and is powered by 13 kilowatts of solar energy at peak photovoltaic and 40 kilowatts of solar thermal power, storing 3,000 liters of hot water in steel tanks for processing the dried fruits. The factory also stores 15 kilowatt hours of power on batteries installed inside the plant.
The whole idea was inspired while traveling together with Muhammad and Hakim through countryside, and I was impressed by the big amount of fresh fruits and vegetables beside the road, and I asked them, who will buy this? And I learned everything what is not sold is spoiled and they will have no income.
She quickly engaged Mr. Mohammed and Mr. Hakim to devise a possible solution to this challenge using solar energy.
We have adopted and come up with an innovative technological solution that is intended to help farmers avoid post-harvest losses using solar. The technology is coming with an integration of solar PV and solar thermal, but also it is coming with other unique aspects like remote monitoring to guarantee that at all times we have a stable energy source that can give us a stable output, whether it's day, whether on a cloudy day, whether on a sunny day. So at all times, 365 days in a year, we'll be assured of a stable energy source to dry.
Trade Limited, having over 2 decades of experience dealing with solar energy systems, provided their knowledge and expertise about solar energy systems, and also decided to partner with Twiga Sun Fruits to design a solar drying system where farmers could be able to dry their produce throughout the year regardless of the weather conditions and other uncertainties.
Emabega wali twali tunogena anasazo nga tuzinogera mbukutiya n'engeri gye twakatagana n'ekitongole kye Trade basobola okutusakira ne batuleetera gloves, gumboots, ebyo n'ebikozesebwa mu nnimiro basobola okubituwa. Twebaza kampuni eyo tiyatutaasa, twali tuli mabega nnyo mu bintu ebyo kubanga enanasi zino bannaye bakama bange muziraba nzibu nnyo, naye basobola okutuleetera gloves, batuleetera wheelbarrow, trays zonna babireeta. Kati ekintu kino tulabika nti omulimu singa gunaaba guwedde gujja kutwanguyira.
Well, we have a combination of systems there. The energy supply is partly electrical, so PV batteries, and the other part is solar thermal, so heat, hot water, that is stored in a 3,000 liter water tank and combined with a heat pump and electrical backup. So the water is used then to run a cabinet dryer. Within there we have a heat exchanger from water to air, and with the hot air, 60 degrees C, we dry the pineapples or any other fruits available here.
The solar dryer works by trapping sunlight and converting it to heat. Then the heat is trapped and isolated from the air outside the dryer. The third step is now to apply the convection form of heated air over the food substances, which are to be dried by the application of the trapped heat. The dryer uses solar-powered fans for forced convection, with products being laid out on the mesh trays and air forced over them to extract moisture from the foods. During the packaging process, the air content is measured to ensure there's little to no oxygen in the bags, and the air is replaced by inserting nitrogen gas in the bags to ensure preservation of the dried product. And finally, we have our beautifully dried pineapple fruit packed and ready for export. It's lighter and less likely to get spoiled. The dried pineapple has been tested to last for nearly 2 years on the shelves. The project has greatly impacted livelihoods in multiple ways, whether financially or by providing skills to the members, as you're about to hear from some of the organic fruit farmers themselves.
Batuwadde factory yaffe tugenda kubanga tukaze ebirime byaffe tuwone okudondolwa kubanga tubadde tutunda enanasi zaffe ku bbeeyi ya wansi era tugenda kuwona obwavu. Factory yaffe eno egenda kaze enanasi ekaze ebibala byonna. Tuli balimi abagenda okuba abasanyufu n'abaana baffe nga basoma bulungi n'obwavu nabo tubugobye.
The captive solar project can be scaled and also be replicated in any part of the world, and many regions in Uganda are already embracing the project. The solar system can be used for a wide variety of foods and fruits, whether it is vegetables or bananas. They can all be dried and exported to high-value markets. Mr. Lubowa Mohammed, the founder and managing director of All in Trade Ltd, has been actively engaged in the renewable energy sector for over 2 decades and has been recognized by major organizations like the Renewable Energy World and Green Climate Fund.
At All in Trade Limited, we are an active energy solutions provider. We are a company that has been in existence since 2008. And along the way, we've served various clients in various sectors like health, education, agriculture, crisis-affected persons, and so many other subsectors. We're a company that is headquartered here in Kampala, Uganda, and we're a company that employs a full-time team of 24 employees working in different business departments and business processes. We are an ISO certified company, and our mission is to make sure that we design and come up with solutions that are impactful to society.
Engineer Semuju Abdul Hakim is a co-founder and director of All in Trade Limited, who is also a certified wind and solar energy systems trainer, an expert with over a decade of experience.
This project is a pilot to showcase the industrial and commercial use of solar energy as a technology in drying in the agriculture.
The impact of the project extends beyond the farmers' gardens to their livelihoods. All in Trade, together with Twiga Sun Fruits, have further continued supporting farmers in various ways through their CSR arm. The partners have provided working tools, for example, gloves, gumboots, and other equipment to support the farmers.
Twebaza nnyo aba All in Trade olw'ebintu bye batuwadde. Batuwadde ensawo, boots ne gloves. Ne batuyambirako ne ku ssomero lyaffe ery'Ekigayaaza ng'abaana babawadde ensawo, ebitabo, ne nga batusuubiza n'otusimira borehole ne latrini ey'omulembe. Kintu kino tukiruddemu nga tukirindiridde ebbanga ddene ne tweyanzizza tutandise okulaba ku bibala.
Neebaza nnyo kampuni ya All in Trade abatuleetedde ebintu bino, ne batuyamba ebitabo, ne batuyamba ensawo. Abaana baffe ebitabo babadde babikwatira mu buveera, ne batuwa giravusi, ennaanasi zibadde zitusuna, ne batuwa buutusi, tubadde tugenda mu nnimiro nga tulina ebigere. Tweyanzizza nnyo era tubasaba wabaayo obuyambi obulala babutwongere, naffe tukakasa nga tugenda kuleeta ebintu nga biri organic.
All in Trade, together with the partners, have also constructed an underground water source with clean fresh water to be used in the farmers' gardens and also at the plant. This model has the potential of reducing food loss and waste by an estimated 30 to 40%, resulting in reduced perpetual food insecurity and lower food prices countrywide. We thank all our partners for the continued support and also for the vision of this project. All the partners have continued in their commitment of developing sustainable energy solutions through research and continuing their support to communities where they have established presence and ensuring fair trade for the farmers by guaranteeing demand for their produce through the year across international markets. All in Trade Ltd, Kangulumira Horticulture and Vanilla Cooperative, Naya Brainworks and Twiga Sun Fruits have done an outstanding job in developing renewable energy systems that are sustainable and impactful in the community. And this will remain our aim to create a cleaner and more sustainable future.